Before rigging a character, we need 2 add-ins. The add-in links are in the description. First, install Auto Rig Pro. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, then click the Install button. After that, select your downloaded add-in file and click Install Add-on. Do the same for the Heat Diffuse add-in. Then enable both add-ins by clicking the checkbox. If we want to rig a character using Auto Rig Pro, the character must be in an A pose or T pose. You can see my character is in A pose. Now select the character. Go to the front view of the viewport. Click the small arrow and open the Auto Rig Pro panel. Then go to Auto Rig Pro Smart and click Get Objects. Select full body and press OK. Now you will see an Add Neck button. Click it, then press G and move the green point to the correct position of the neck. Go to the left view and adjust it properly. Next, go to the front view and add the chin, placing it correctly. Go to the left view and adjust it properly. Next, go to the front view, then add shoulders and place them in the correct position. Next, go to the front view. After that, add wrists and place them properly. Also add the spine root and position it correctly on the body. Finally, add ankles and place them in the correct position. Now the first part is done. Click the Go button. After a few seconds, the bones will be generated automatically. Check all the bones to make sure they are placed correctly. In my case, the foot bone is not in the correct position. Select that bone, press G, and move it to the right place. I will fix the other bone as well. Now everything looks correct. Go back to the Auto Rig Pro panel and click Match to Rig. After a few seconds, the control rig will be generated. Now the rig is almost done. Go to Object Mode. Select the body, then hold Shift and select the control rig. Go to the Skin tab and set the engine to voxel heat. Diffuse the add-in we installed. Turn off Preserve Volume. Then click Bind. After a few seconds, your character will be ready to animate. Now select the control rig, go to Pose Mode, select a leg controller, press G, and move it to check if the rig is working correctly. Check all the controllers by moving and rotating them. If everything works correctly, you can start animating your character.